Hello students, I am Pratha Nanavati from Saraswat International Academy. We are learning Maths of Standard 5, Chapter number 3, How Many Squares, Part 6. Okay, students, pay attention here. This is your question. How many squares in me? Pay attention here. Two questions are given. What is the area of this triangle? The triangle is half the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. So its area is dash centimeter. Means first we have to find out area of this green triangle, and second question here it is given that this rectangle is of 2 square centimeter. Okay, first of all we will understand given figure step by step. Okay, pay attention here. This is our first step. Can you observe it? This 2 squares. So number of squares is equals to 2. Okay, each square is measure of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay, so total 2 square centimeter is area of this rectangle. Are you getting it or not? What I mean to say? Two squares of 1 by 1 centimeter, if we merge it, it becomes our rectangle. Getting it or not? Okay. Now our second figure is here. Look, we are dividing this rectangle in two equal parts but by slanting line, which is given like this. Okay, but this portion is of green color, which we have to find out. So understand the next diagram properly. It is very interesting and you will get it easily. This is our upper side triangle, this one, this side of triangle, then this green triangle, and this is our actual figure. Okay, getting it or not? Means we can easily say that given triangle is half of full rectangle. This rectangle whose area is 2 square centimeter. Okay, so we will find out area of this triangle by dividing 2 area of rectangle. As we know that area of this triangle is half of full rectangle, and half means 1 upon 2. Okay, so our next step will be the area of triangle is equals to area of rectangle divided by 2. Okay, what is the area of rectangle? It is given here already 2 square centimeter. So is equals to 2 by 2. Clear? 2 by 2 means 1. So our answer will be 1 square centimeter. So we will write the area of this triangle is 1 square centimeter. Are you getting it or not? It is very easy. We just have to understand given diagram step by step. Okay, you have to write this, you have to draw this diagram, this final diagram. Okay, then we will write number of squares is equals to 2. Okay, then the area of triangle is equals to area of rectangle divided by 2. This detail is already given. If you are confused, then you can write here that area of rectangle is equals to 2 square centimeter. Okay, as a detail. So in place of area of rectangle we will write 2 by 2. Why we are dividing it by 2? Because half means we divided by 2. So 1 by 2. Getting it or not? Okay, now what we will do next? We will divide it by 2. Our answer will be 1 square centimeter. So the area of this triangle is equals to 1 square centimeter. Getting it or not? Okay. Same as here another diagram is given. We will understand it. Pay attention here. This one. Okay. First of all, we will observe this diagram. It is what we have to find out, that we will read. Is the shape half of the big rectangle? Which is big rectangle, students? This one means this type of. Clear? Okay. Next, so its area is dash square centimeter. Students, first of all, what we will do to find out area of this rectangle, we will count total number of boxes covered by this rectangle. Okay, so we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so total 8 boxes are there. Okay, next we are dividing given shape in this curved line. Okay, then we are going to color it. So our diagram becomes same. This in this steps given shape is going to form. Okay, what we will do now? Okay, area of big rectangle, as we have counted it, but by another method we can say that length multiply by breadth. Okay, so this 1 2 3 4, so 4 multiply by 1 2 2. Getting it or not? Length length, breadth breadth. So we can say that area of big rectangle is equals to length multiply by breadth. Length is 4, breadth is 2, so 4 multiplied by 2, 8 square centimeter. We have to do this method. Okay, then next, yes, the shape is half of the big rectangle. How could you say that? Can you observe it? Okay, wait a minute. We are going to count its area. Whose area? This half portion and this one half portion. Just count it. For suppose we are starting from this side. Okay, you can observe it. This square is more than half. This one is full. Again this one is more than half. Again this one is more than half. So this side covers 4 squares. Okay, now for this one, this side, this square covers more than half, again more than half, full and more than half. So same as here, there will be 4. So this both shape are half of full square, as area of full square is 8 square centimeter. Clear? Yes, this shape is half of the big rectangle. Clear? Now we have to do it by method. We have to show it by method. We have to find out area of this shaded, colored shape. Okay, we will do it by method. It is very easy. Just pay attention here. Okay, area of given shape is equals to area of big rectangle divided by 2. Again I want to explain it to you that half means 1 upon 2. We have to multiply it by 1 upon 2. So area of big rectangle, if we write multiply by 1 divided by 2, so our step will be same. Okay, so we are not going to write multiply by 1 here. Okay, so area of big rectangle divided by 2. What is the area of big rectangle? We just find out it by method 8 square centimeter. So 8 divided by 2 is equals to, what will be answer? 2 fours are 8. So area of big rectangle is 4 square centimeter. The area of given shape is equals to 4 square centimeter. Getting it or not? Two questions were there. Is this shape half of the big rectangle? Its answer is yes. This shape is half of the big rectangle. And another one is, so its area is dash square centimeter. So the area of given shape is 4 square centimeter. Are you getting it or not? These two type of questions are given from figure, and we have to understand the figure first of all, and then we have to solve it by method. But in first one, area of given shape were given, means area of rectangle was given, but in this we have to find out area of rectangle also, and then we have to divide it by 2 to find out this colored shape. Getting it or not? Okay. Students, now here few shapes are given, and what we have to do? Write the area in square centimeter of shapes below. Okay, we will count it by method turn by turn as we were doing in previous question. Okay, pay attention here. Here first one is given. Just observe it. Okay. We will start our solution by statements. For shape A, which shape is given? Triangle. Information के लिए लिखा है, आप लिख सकते हो. Okay. We will draw 3 columns. Number of complete squares, number of half squares, and number of more than half squares. Okay. Pay attention here, students. First of all, we will count number of complete squares, which are 1, 2, and 3. How many complete squares are there? 3. So we will write over here 3. Getting it or not? How many complete squares are there? 3. Okay. Next one is, just pay attention here. We need to count number of half squares. Is there any half squares are given? Look, you will call that, you will tell me that this is half square. No, look, it is not a half square. Okay, so number of half square is 0. Okay, next one, number of more than half square. Yes, they are there. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 squares are more than half squares. So we will write area of shape A is equals to, we know that complete square means we will write as it is, plus 0, number of half square is 0, multiply by 1 upon 2, or else divided by 2 only. Both are same, huh? Do not be confused. 0 multiply by 1 upon 2 and 0 by 2. I mean 0 divided by 2. Both are same. Plus 3. Okay, is equals to 3 plus 0 divided by 2. 0 plus 3 is equals to 6 square centimeter. Getting it or not? So the area of shape A is 6 square centimeter. Getting it or not? Okay, now we are going for second one, B shape. Pay attention here. Okay, which square is given? Sorry, which shape is given? Square. For shape B, which is given square, again we will draw 3 columns. Number of complete squares, number of half squares, and here we will not write number of more than half squares. Why? Because you can observe this corners. Do you know I explained it that when we are dividing given square into four equal parts, four equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 quarter square. Okay, what it's called? Quarter square. So third column will be just for this shape. Why? Because there are no more than half squares, but there are quarter squares. So we will write number of quarter squares. Are you getting it or not, students? Don't be confused. I explained it to you already, and again I'm telling you what is meaning of quarter squares. 1/4 square. 1/4 square means if we divide given square into four equal part, then each part will be 1/4 quarter square. Clear? Okay. Now number of complete square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many complete squares are there? 4. Okay. Now number of half squares. Pay attention here. Yes, there are half squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many half squares are there? 8. And last one, number of quarter square. What will be number of quarter square? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 quarter squares are there. One more thing I want to explain to you. I told you that when we are writing that number of half square in this solution, what we are going to do? We are going to divide it by 2. Why? Because half means when we divide given square into two equal parts, we have to divide it by 2. But when we are dividing given square into four equal parts, then we have to divide quarter squares. Dividing it or not? समझ में आ रहा है? When we are dividing given square into two equal part, it is called half, and those half squares we have to divide it by 2 in solution. Okay, and when we are dividing given square into four equal parts, it is called quarter squares. So in solution we have to divide this quarter squares by 4. Okay, getting it or not? Okay, next we will solve it by method. Area of shape B is equals to 4 number of complete squares plus 8 divided by 2 number of half squares. Half, that's why we are dividing it by 2, plus 4 number of quarter squares. Quarter means 1/4, means fourth part, means we are dividing by 2. समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? इट्स वेरी इजी, लॉजिकली समझना है. हाफ मीन्स दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, इसलिए उसे सॉल्यूशन में 2 से डिवाइड करना है. एंड क्वार्टर मीन्स 1/4, मीन्स हम उसे 4 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड इन सॉल्यूशन, वी हैव टू डिवाइड नंबर ऑफ क्वार्टर स्क्वायर बाय 4. ओके, इज इक्वल्स टू 4 प्लस 2 4s are 8. So here 4 plus 4 1s are 4. So here 1. समझ में आ रहा है? 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9 square centimeter. Getting it or not?